Hello, can you hear me? Those who are watching online. Can we see the board? I think it's better. It's in bent too. Or it can be adjusted. It's not adjusted. Hello, can we hear me? Those who are watching online.
You can see that I just stop.
Okay.
Just press it. And you can see that the lens is the phone can go to.
It's even better like this. Let me use Anki to raise this one. Those who are watching online. All right. Okay. Thanks for that. This one is shame. Oh, good dear. Can we see the board? Can we see the board? So let's start having our fun for the next 1 or 2 hours. So the first question says, integral of 8x plus 13 over root 4x plus 7 dx. Like, looking at this question, like for the first time, I've not seen it before. What's the first thing that should come to your head? What's the first thing that should come to your head? That's what we are looking at this evening. Like, what should you think at first? Don't use AI, just look at it. What can you figure out? If you do use substitution and say let you be this, well, you are going to do use substitution, but you need something that is similar to this, of which that is not the numerator. So we are going to manipulate the numerator such that you are going to call this guy integral of 8x plus 14 minus 1 over root what? 4x plus 7 dx. No, 14 minus 1 is 13. Isn't it? So this guy gives us integral 8x plus 14 over root 4x plus 7 dx minus integral of 1 over root 4x plus 7 dx. Are we clear with that? Huh? This I separate it, minus 1 and this. So here now we can say this guy equals to integral of 2 into 4x plus 7 over root 4x plus 7 dx minus integral of what? 1 over what? Root 4x plus what? 7 dx. Making sense? Making sense?
Yes.
Or making senseless? So 2 is constant. We have what? 2 integral of what? 4x plus 7 over what? Root 4x plus 7 dx minus integral of what? 1 over what? 4x plus 7 square root dx. Are we clear with that? Because I'm about to clean the board. Okay? Now, here you can say, let you be what? 4x plus 7 or root 4x plus 7. Which one is best? Very good. Eh? So let you be what? 4x plus 7. Let's see, I don't even know. Du over dx now give us what? 4. So that means dx will give us what? Du over what? Du over 4. So now let's substitute. So this question now becomes what? Integral of what? I mean 2 integral of what? U divided by what? Root u. What's our dx? Du over 4 minus integral of what? 1 over root u du over what? 4. So here we have what? 2 over 4, right? Integral of u du over root u minus what? 1 over 4 integral of what? 1 over root u du. Making sense? Making sense?
Yeah.
So here we have 2 over 4 is what? 1 over 2. Integral of what? U dot u half, Abi? Sorry, u dot u minus half du minus 1 over 4. Integral of what? U minus half du. Let me see if that's showing very well in the video. Okay, I think it's showing very well. Okay, let me do. Sorry, let me not pause. The question is here. So we have 2 over 4. That's 1 over 2. Integral of what? U multiplied by what? U raised by minus half du minus 1 over 4. Integral of what? U raised by minus half du. Abi? So this gives us what? 1 over 2. This gives us 1 over 2 integral. This times this. In this is u raised by half, Abi? 1 minus half. That's half. U raised by 1 over 2 du minus 1 over 4 integral u raised by minus 1 over 2 du. Now let's write this part. I want to clean it. I want to clean it now. Yeah. It's making sense, isn't it? Isn't it? It's making sense. Is it making sense? Is it making sense? Do you understand? Is it only Queen that is online? I think we are 4, 5 or 6, 7. Sister Lovett, are you there? I'm blocking your view. So sorry. Can block my view back. Can I clean the board? So let's move. So here we have 1/2. If you should integrate u raised power, what do we get? U raised power half plus 1, that's 3/2, abi? Divided by half plus 1 minus 1/4. If you integrate u raised power minus half, if you add 1 to minus half, that gives you half, abi? U raised power half minus half plus 1, that's half, right? Plus c. Can I clean this next line? Yes. I will ask and answer myself. So here we have what? 1/2 divided by 3/2 means multiply by what? 2/3, right? U raised power 3/2, isn't it? Minus 1/4 multiply by what? 2/1, abi? U raised power half, isn't it? Plus c, right? So here we have what? 2 cancel 2, isn't it? 1/3. This gives us root s cubed. Abi? Root s cubed. U cubed, don't mind it. Is it cube root? No. It's square root. Write your note, you say square root. This 1/2, abi? Root what? Root u. 1/2 is roots, like multiplying it by 3 here. Plus what? We are done. Just put your u back. What's your u? So we have 4x plus 7/3 minus what? Root 4x plus 7 over what? Plus c cube. Oh, sorry, this is cube. What's the LCM? You can leave it that way. You can find the LCM. Whichever way you get your answer. I hope that's clear. Queen, do you understand? Okay, fascinating. All right, good. Thank God it's fascinating. I think everything is not showing. Yeah, that's everything. All right, sharp. Go and call your mates. Go to the group. Go and call them to come online now. We have about 11 questions here to solve. All right, sharp. Can I clean the board? No. We have 2 minutes to write. How do we solve this? Okay, I remember. Very simple now. Very simple. Very simple. Somebody praise God. Say hallelujah. Very simple. Are we done? You are not done. Well, I'm done. All right, we start number 2 very soon. Very soon. Can I clean the board? All this slow writer. Hold this slow writer. When I was still writing then in J2, I could write. Like seriously. I'm not exaggerating. I could write like faster, like flash, in a beam of light, rating like 10 like. Can I clean the board? Can I clean the board? My God. Whew. Ah. Shall we? All right. We shall. If me stand up, oh, wake up. Stop me. Now number 2, sine what? Log x over x dx. Integral of sine log x over x dx. Let u be what? Who can guess? X. Somebody said x. Why are you afraid? Let you be what? Somebody said x. If you say let you be x, you differently you get 1. What can one do? But say, because if you differently log x, you get 1 over x. It's going to cancel this guy. Are we together? Yeah. So let you be what? Anything that happens to log x in integration can happen to ln x too. Ln x 1 over x, log x 1 over x. So that means du over dx equals to what? It's just like ln x 1 over x, have it? Right? That means x du equals to what? Dx. Right? We cross multiply. So this question becomes integral of what? Sine u over x. What's our dx? X du. This is this guy. So we have integral what? Sine u. If you integrate sine u, what do you get? Minus cos u. So you have minus cos u plus c. So you have minus cos. What's your u? Log x plus c. And we are done. Is it hard? No. Sharp. Shall we clean the board? Okay, all right. Wait. Okay. Oh my God. I'm longing for chicken. As we mentioned Christmas, I just remember December. So yeah, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 1. I'm not even sure whether it's still here, but just write it when we get there. I just remember Christmas. I remember December rather. What's happening on December? Except Christmas. There is something that used to happen before Christmas. You don't know. That thing used to happen. Very interesting. Can I clean the board? December is a very great month. Wonderful month among the whole month of the year. There is no month like December. There is no month like December. If you are born in June, I don't care. Yeah, you're right. December is my birthday. What's a great month to celebrate the birthday? Unlike June. Unlike April. April no complete now. Okay, now February no complete. You are February here. Cover your face. Cover your face. February students, what should we make? What should we equal to you here? February candidate. What do you think should be you? Somebody said 1 over 1 plus x squared. Somebody said tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. So let you be what? Now, if you are not familiar, you won't know fast because if you say let u be tan inverse of x, that means tan u equals to what? X, abi? Isn't it? If it is tan inverse of x, that means tan u is x. If you differentiate both sides, you'll be getting 1 over 1 plus x squared somewhere. You know, if you differentiate tan x, it gives you 1 over 1 plus x squared. All right. There is something I'm looking at. I'm coming. Wait. We are having x here. If you differentiate this, you'll be getting. Okay, let's differentiate first. We differentiate tan u, what do you get? Okay, let's move on. Yeah, let's move on. We are on the right path. We differentiate tan u, you get what? Sec square u, abi? Sec square u du, right? Equals to 1 dx, isn't it? So we are making dx the set of the formula. Divide both sides by what? 1. Abi? Yes. So that okay, dx equals to what? Sec square u du. And dx equals to what? 1 plus tan square u du. You know, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. We don't forget trig identity. Sec square theta plus tan square theta. So that means dx equals to 1. What's tan u? X. Tan square u will now be what? X squared du. Are we okay with that? Yeah. Somebody say no. You are not always okay. Oh yeah, let's check. Where do you need to be? Where do you need to be okay? Everywhere. If you differentiate tan u, get x square u. Because you are differentiating with respect to you, that's why we have to use x 1 dx. You know x, you get 1. But because you're having x on this side, then dx. You here. Do we get? So now make dx the set of the formula. It's already the set of the formula. Dx equals to sec square u du. Sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Trigonometry identity. So sec square u will give us 1 plus tan square u. Since our tan u is x, tan square u will be x squared. Are we cool with that? So this question becomes integral of e raised power m u, right? Over 1 plus x squared. What's our dx? 1 plus x squared du. And this we bomb this. So what we now have? Integral of e raised power m u du. E raised power m is a constant, there isn't it? Isn't it? There is no u at the power. We are different with respect to u since there is no u here at all. So everything there is constant. Since it doesn't contain the variable we are differentiating with respect to, so it's constant. So you can bring the guy out. E raised power m integral of what? U du. If you integrate u, what do you get? You get u square over what? 2 plus what? C. So your answer becomes e raised by n. What's your u? So you have tan inverse of x all square over 2 plus what? And that's the final answer. Do we understand? It's not hard. Those who are watching online, do we grab? Okiki, grab ke. Please grab. Oh yeah. Be looking at it step by step. You will grab. It's like Okiki is just coming online, self. Do we grab? Those who have been watching, do we grab? I need like 3 responses from those who grab. Anyone who grabs that? Okay, you've grabbed. Thank God. Okiki, what did you not grab there? Oh yeah, state your ungrabness. Let me see. Okiki, tell me the part you did not grab so that I can give you grab. Okay, you've grabbed like that. Okay, wait. E raised by m is a constant. Constant will come out. It's a constant because there is no u attached to it. It's just like maybe you're having number, so you bring it out. That's what we are doing there. So should you grab Ben Okiki? Okay, thank God. Shall we? We shall. Shall we? Let's go. Let's go. We have integral of what? 2 raised by x divided by what? Square root of 1 minus 2 raised by x. 1 minus 2 raised by 2x dx. Have it? Right? What do you think should be u? 1 minus 2 raised by 2x. Are you sure? What should be u? I feel like let u be 2 raised to power x. I just feel like that. And I will express my feelings now. So if u equals 2 raised by x, du will give us what? 2 raised by x ln 2 dx, have you? Now to differentiate that, 2 raised by a raised by we was ln a, that function back. So that means dx equals to what? Du over what? 2 raised by x what? Ln 2. Come and see the beautiful thing I just did now. Equals to integral of what? 2 raised by x, isn't it? Root what? 1 minus. Don't forget, 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 raised to power x squared. Agreed? Huh? So which means I can replace this guy with what? U squared, right? Because my u is 2 raised to power x. Clear? No ambiguity. Sharp, let's move. So yeah, our dx is what? Du over what? X ln what? Ln 2. Badger. So what? Ln 2 is constant, it can come out. So we have 1 over ln 2. Integral of what? Du over what? Root what? 1 minus what? U squared. So we just started now. So let me write it here so that I can write something at the front. 1 over ln 2. Integral of what? du over what? Root 1 minus what? U square. So what do? We know there is a formula, then trigonometry substitution. We remember. I say if we have root constant square minus the variable square dx, use x equals what? Is this sine or sec? Is this sine for this one?
Sec.
I think it's sec. Let's prove it. We know now. 1 plus tan square theta equals what? Sec square theta. Okay, it's not sec. Yeah, it's sine. Yeah. Using sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we have cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. That's 1 square minus sine square theta. So which looks like this. Just assume that our x is sine theta. So this one we are using x equals to what? A sine theta. But here our a is 1. That means here we are using use, but this is not x, we are dealing with u. Our u will now be what? A sine theta, that's 1 sine theta. So we are using u equals to sine theta, trigonometric substitution. So if u equals to sine theta, that means the u will give us what? Cos theta d theta, right? So here we have 1 over ln 2 integral of what? Cos theta d theta divided by what? Square root of 1 minus sine square theta u square. Since u is sine theta, u square will be sine square theta. So here we have 1 over ln 2 integral of what? Cos theta d theta divided by root 1 minus sine square theta equals to what? Cos square theta, and I don't sabi equals to 1 over ln 2 integral of what? Cos theta d theta divided by square cancel root, right? Cos what? Cos theta, and this cancel itself. So we have 1 over what? Ln 2 integral of what? 1 d theta or d theta, whatever. 1 d theta, anyone. So we clean this guy. So we have 1 over ln 2. 1, if you integrate 1 with respect to theta, what do you get? Theta plus what? C. So here we have 1 over ln 2. What's our theta? If u equals to sine theta, what will be theta? Sine inverse of u, abi? So we have sine inverse of u plus c. Are we done? No. Let the final answer be here. Final answer. We are not done because the original question is a function of x. So we are 1 over ln 2 sine inverse. What's our u? 2 raised to power x plus c. That's the answer. Do we get?
Is that the question?
She has.
I have.
Okay, you have.
See it's German. So can we just go through the points? Since the integral of 1 over square root of.
Show this one. Yeah, you can. If you know the standard answer, you can write it direct. You don't need to be. For this one, you can just write the standard. You don't need to be. But I hope you understand what you did. You understand? All right. Interesting. Those who are watching from afar, do we understand? This one we just did. Do we grab? Hello, guys. Grabbing? All right. If you are there, you have not subscribed to my channel, do that now. Now. Just click on that subscription button now. Like now. Do so now. That queen, is that Laura? Okay. Can we proceed? Number 5. This number 5 looks so simple or so hard. I don't even know. The one I'm afraid of is, where is this? That number 10. Okay, it's not hard, save, I remember. Are we up to 100 here? Because of the printing, I want to do next week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 3, 24. 24 times 3 is 72. Let's assume that some people love themselves. Let's see. Let's just say 8. Or I will print 100 sharp. Are we done? Can I clean the board? No. Let's be fast. Yeah, it's standard. It's standard. Me, I'm just solving it. No, it does not attract more marks since that's not the original question. Since you just come across 1 over root, it's not a square minus s square that we did. What we did is root 1 over root a square minus s square, not 1 over a square minus s square. But that one too, the one we did also have standard integral. You can just put it without solving, since that is not the question itself, and you still earn your full mark. Sure you get. Shall we? We shall. We shall. We shall. Eh? After this time, I go sleep first. Then I can jack OD. The next question says integral of e raised to power root sine x divided by sec x root sine x dx. What's the first thing that you think we should do? What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Can someone see that there's cos x inside the question? 1 over sec, right? So the question becomes integral of what? Cos, 1 over sec x is cos x. This becomes cos x e raised to power root sine x divided by what? Root sine x dx. So after doing it like this, what's the next thing you think we should do? U equals what? Sine x. Clap for yourself. I said you should clap, you're not clapping. Wow. So du equals to what? Is it minus cos? Yeah, cos x, Abi. If you sine x, so du equals what? Cos x dx, right? Or du over dx is cos x. Du is cos x dx. Du over dx is cos x. Anymore. So dx equals to what? Du over what? So the question becomes integral of what? E raised to power u divided by what? Sorry. Cos x, which is what? Okay, let's write it. Cos x multiplied by e raised to power root sine x root u, right? Divided by root u, right?
Yeah.
What's our dx? Du over what? Cos x. These cancel each other, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the question becomes integral of what? E raised to power root u divided by what? Root u du. What do you think we can do now? What's the next thing? What do you think we can do? I'm not talking. Are we on the right path? Do you think so? Or we should use root sin x? Do we use root sin x? If you use root sin x, okay, let u be root sin x instead of sin x. Let's try it. But this looks complex now. But if we go the other way around and it's looking complexer, I'm going to do something else. So let u be sin x, right? So that means, that means u equals to what? Sin x raised by what? Alpha b. So that means, I think this is the way. I think so. Yeah. That means du equals to what? 1 over 2, right? Sin x, right? 1 over 2 minus 1, abi? If we differentiate this, I get what? Cos x. Shortcut for chain rule, isn't it? You can use your chain rule, don't get what. Because 1 over 2, right? 1 times cos x. So we have cos x over 2, isn't it? What a beautiful way to end a journey. So we have multiplied by 1 over root sin x agreed. Or let me write it with the one we will quickly agree. Abi? No, it's minus. If it comes down, it becomes positive. So this guy gives du dx, right? Dx. So that means du equals to what? Cos x over what? 2 root sin x, abi? Dx, isn't it? Clear to this part? Shall we proceed?
This du or dx is equal to.
Should we proceed? What do you say?
Oh, sorry.
Now make dx the square of the formula. If you cross multiply, you have 2 root sin x du equals to what? Cos x dx. That means the x equals to what? 2 root what? Sin x du over what? Wow. I can clean this part. Is the question now? So that means the question becomes integral of what? Cos x e raised by u, abi? Over what? Root sin x is what? U. What's the x? X is what? 2 roots. Let's say 2. Okay, let's even put sin x here, no problem. 2 root sin x over cos x du. Cancel. Did it not cancel? Cancel. So at the end of the day, what do we have? We have integral of 2 multiplied by e raised by u du. Isn't it? So we have 2 integral of e raised by u du. If you integrate e raised by u, what do you get? E raised by u plus c. So that's 2 multiplied by e. What's our u? Root sin x plus c. That's the answer. Very interesting. Those who are watching online, do we oh God. Did we follow what we did? Do we grab? Is it clear? Is it sharp? Mitchell, Alabi, Arowolo. All right, sharp. I think we are going to number 6. Number 6. I love this number 8. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. In fact, you can even use 2 lines. This question. Use 2 lines. Also use 15 lines or 20 lines or 2 pages. Let me drink one pure water. Can I clean the board? Can I clean the board?
Yes.
All right. He said I should clean the board. Oh, somebody said no. I should not clean it. The next question says, I don't like this next question. I'm going to stress me today. The x over x is simple actually. X squared minus a squared. I wrote the x twice. Come on, show. Trigonometric substitution, isn't it? Whenever you have the variable minus a constant, form of square, what are we substituting? CSC, are we? Is it CSC or sec? Okay, it's not sec. I think we are using tan. Tan. Let's see. You know, 1 plus tan square theta equals what? Sec square theta. That means tan square theta equals what? Sec square theta minus 1. Are we? Oh, we are using sec. There's an identity that looks like this. Sec square theta minus 1 squared. So x, x, a. So we are using sec. That's the idea of remembering those. Just do your, the trig is like your x, all those one are like your a. So the arrangement you see. So x squared minus a squared. So you are using sec for your x. Sec is standing in place of x here. I hope you grab that. In case you cannot cram those things, but you can cram them. For this, use sec theta, for this, use sin theta. So here we say x equals to what? A sec what? A sec theta, isn't it? Yeah. Now, if you differentiate x, you get dx, right? Isn't it? Yeah. If you differentiate x, you get 1 dx now. Yeah. If you differentiate a sec theta, what do you get? A is constant, a will remain there. If you do a sec theta, what do you get? Sec theta tan theta. I hope there's no negative there. So this one give us a sec theta tan theta here. Motion sec theta tan in lower color shanu. Okay, let's proceed. We have nothing to fear. We have God on our side. We have dx over what's x? Okay, our x is a sec theta, right? So we have a sec theta root what? S square a sec theta all square minus a square dx is a sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay, sorry, we are removing dx. Sorry. Our dx is a sec theta tan theta d theta. A cancel it, isn't it? So we now have what? Integral of what? Sec theta tan theta d theta divided by what? Sec theta square root of this one will give us what? A square sec square theta minus what? A square, isn't it? So here we have integral of what? Sec theta tan theta d theta divided by sec theta square root of what is common? A square into bracket what? Sec square theta. See the way I'm just looking at the final answer. Minus 1 equals to integral of what? Sec theta tan theta d theta divided by what? Sec theta root what? A square sec square theta minus 1 is what? Tan square theta equals to integral of what? Sec theta tan theta d theta divided by what? Sec theta root A tan theta all square, abi? So square cancel root. What do we have? Integral of what? Sec theta tan theta d theta divided by what? Sec divide A, let A come out, abi? 1 over A, abi? These are the denominator, so it can come out. So because this square has dealt with that root, so A can come out 1 over A, sec theta and what? Tan theta, right? So this swallow up this guy. So now what? 1 over A integral of what? 1 d theta. So here you have 1 over A into what? Theta plus what? C. If you so we have 1 over A. What's our theta? So if x equals to A sec theta, x over A will give us what? Sorry. X over A will now be what? Sec theta. That means theta is what? Sec inverse of x over A. So here we have what? Sec inverse of what? X over A plus C. Clear? Clear, Abby? Sharp. Everywhere good. Can I clean the board? Yeah, let's put that down so that we can proceed with our journey. Sorry, ma'am. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Those who are watching from afar, do you understand this question we just did? Is it clear? They all cancel funny question sharp. It's sweet, Abby. Oh yeah, let's write it so I can clean the board and solve number 7. We still have about 4 questions left before we call Math 102 off for today. Then, if time permits, we'll come back to complex number, Math 101. Oh, we are tired. We are tired. We are tired. Can I clean the board? Yes. I'm to wake her. If she's not wake, slap her. Are you sleeping? Stop sleeping. If anybody is sleeping beside you, 3 slaps. I give you the charge, I give you the order. I said slap, not tap, like slap. pẹ̀lú àgbà tá à ń ṣe lé báyìí. Did not join us when we're solving this. You need cane. Shall we proceed to the next question? Shall I clean the board? Shall I continue? Thank you. Why I clean all this? The next question says, very easy question, very hard, sorry. Integral of dx over what? 2 plus s squared. It's even simple, sir. Integral of dx over what? Root 2 squared plus what? S squared. Have it? No, root 2 squared is also 2. So whenever you have a squared plus s squared, which trig are you bringing in? Use x equals to what? A tan theta, right? No, we have 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So there's an identity for it. 1 square plus tan square theta. So something square plus s square. Are we together? Constant square plus, our trig is the x. Constant square plus s square. So that means tan is replacing x there. So that's the idea. So that means use what? Use x equals to what? A tan theta. What's our A? Root 2. The mistake you will do is to go and use 2. Or you forget about the root 2. Thinking you may forget about the root 2 if you're having 1 here. But there is 2 there. But for us to have square, both must have square for us to follow that rule. To turn this to square, this has to be root 2. So your constant is root 2 tan what? Tan theta. So if x equals to root 2 tan theta, the x will give us what? Root 2 sec square theta. If you numerate tan theta against sec square theta, isn't it? Yeah. D theta. D theta. D theta. So we have what? Integral of what? Root 2 sec square theta d theta divided by what? In fact, I don't even need to solve. I can there's a standard identity for it. But I'll just solve. But before I solve, let me write the standard identity. You know, if you have integral of dx over a squared plus s squared, that equals what? 1 over a tan inverse of what? X over a plus what? C. So here, our a is root 2. So we have 1 over root 2 tan inverse of what? X over root 2 plus c. Let's solve and see whether we are going to get that. 1 over root 2 tan inverse of x over root 2 plus c. And that's our answer. But let's solve. So we have integral of what? Dx equals to root 2 sec square theta d theta divided by what? Root 2 square plus s square. What's our x? Root 2 tan theta, root 2 tan theta square equals to integral of what? This root 2 can come out. That root 2 at the numerator, it can come out. Can't it? It can. So we have sec square theta d theta divided by what? Root 2. In fact, I should have left it there and cancelled this at the end of the day. Root 2 square plus what? Root 2 square. Root 2 square. And what? Square theta. So here we have integral of what? Let me take it in again. But there's no problem. Let me leave it out. So we have what? Sec square theta d theta divided by what? What is common? Okay, they can't cancel, sorry. They can't cancel. So let it stay outside. So we have root 2 square, which is 2, abi? Yeah. So we bring in 2 here, you have 1, right? Plus what? Tan square what? Theta. Equals to what? Root 2 over 2, right? Integral of what? Sec square theta d theta. What is 1 plus sin square theta? Sec square theta. And kill each other. So we have root 2 over 2. Okay, root 2 at least is as 1 another thing. So don't worry. So we have integral of what? 1 d theta. This one that doesn't know solve. Let me teach you now. Root 2 over 2 is 1 over root 2. So we are here. Root 2 over 2. If you integrate to our rest of theta, what do you get? Theta plus what? Plus c. Isn't it? So here you have what? Root 2 over 2. What's our theta? Where are we coming from? X equals to root 2 tan theta. X over root 2 equals tan theta. Theta equals what? Tan inverse of x root 2. Tan inverse of what? X over root 2 plus c. Half for the board. Can I clean the board? Number 8 is the question I love most in all these things.
Just to see.
Faculty of Education, and we have AC here. You can come. We have AC. I'm proud. It's off. Yeah. I'm proud that we have AC. You have tried. Let me just talk to you. You don't try. You don't try. You guys, you wasted our gas. Imagine. Can I clean the board? Yeah, let's write. Number 8. Very interesting. Very, very, very much interesting. Very interesting. Can I clean the board? I can. No. When I saw this question, we did it last year. Not in our exam, but in one tutorial. I've been looking for it since. I just remember that I taught a lady last year. I remember today. I went to a DM. Sharp. We are snap where like sharp. Are we done? I think Quadrant is the one who gave us those questions. What is it? The day taught us this, the day I understand integration. Like, not that I understand, like I fall in love with integration. It not even make noise. It not even beat around. It just wrote questions on the board, went straight to the point. Solve. Clear. Though we still bang the exam. But actually, I take pride in understanding my course than in passing them. I don't get by too sharp. And I'm not kidding. That's me for you. Can I clean? Can I clean the board? No, we all have different paths. I want to pass actually. I seek to pass, but my priority is to just understand what I'm learning. Eventually, at the end of the day, I shall now be more than average. I mean, in the score, no, but in the knowledge, I will be excellent. That one is sure. Shall we? Now, the next question we have integral x squared minus 2 open bracket x squared minus 5x squared plus 4 tan inverse of what? S squared plus 2 over x. So I've not seen it before, I've not lied for you. You can be confused. Dx. What do you think we should do? What do you think we should do? If I differentiate this guy, if I differentiate tan inverse of x squared plus 2 over x, I will get x squared minus 2 over x4 minus 5x squared plus 4. And my answer will be lane of this. So I want to write this as integral of x squared minus 2 divided by x4 minus 5x squared plus 4 divided by tan inverse of what? X squared plus 2 over x dx. You know a over b over c is same as a over bc. That's what I did here. Are we together? So if I differentiate this denominator, it will give me the numerator. Then my answer will be lane of it. We know that rules are. So if you are so sure that this will give you this, you can just write your final answer direct. But you have to state the rule first. I'm going to solve it and make it and show how it's equal to this. But if you have seen the question before, you know that the derivative of this equals to this. Just state that law. Then just write your answer. You don't need to solve. The law that says integral of f of x over g of x equals to ln g of x if g prime of x equals to f of x. This is integral of f of x over g of x dx equals to ln g of x if g prime of x equals to f of x. That is, if the derivative of this is this, then the answer is ln of the denominator. So the derivative of this is the OD, then our answer is ln this. Now let's check if it's true. So now let u be equals to what? Tan inverse of what? S squared plus 2, right? Over x, isn't it? Yeah. That means tan u will give us what? S squared plus 2 over what? X, right? If we differentiate tan u, what do we get? S square u, right? Equals, if we differentiate this, that means we are using s square u du. If you differentiate, you know this fraction, we are using quotient rule. V du dx, no, du dx 2x minus u dv dx 1 abi over v square x, sorry, v x du dx minus u dv dx over v square. Shall we? So we have s square u du, this is dx, sorry, s square u du equals what? 2s squared. Okay, minus what? S squared minus 2, abi? Yeah. Don't worry, if you look alike, don't worry. Over what? S squared. Right? If you look alike. What's s square u? This is dx. S square u is 1 plus tan square u, right? So here we have 1 plus tan square u. What's our tan u? That means tan square u will be square of this. Yeah. 1 plus tan square u, s square plus 2 over x all square equals to 2s squared
And my
square minus s square, that's s square. So we have s square, wow, okay, sharp. S square minus 2, abi, over s square dx, abi?
yes.
Don't forget there is a du here. Are we together?
Yes, open the square.
Let's open this square, Jare. So here we have 1 plus s square square. S square times 2, 2s square. 2 times s square, 2s square plus 2s square. Write it in your note, you get what I'm saying. 2 times 2 over s square. Write it in your note, you get. S square plus s square in 2 places, you will get this thing. Say how? How come? We have du, abi, equals to what? S square minus 2 over what? S square dx. Oh my God. Right? Let's find the LCM of this guy. What's the LCM? S square. So this will be what? S square plus what? X4 plus, oh my, I'm seeing one beautiful thing, like I'm seeing 5s already. Plus 4 du equals what? S square minus 2 over S square dx. Isn't it? This S square can cancel out. Yes, if you have A over B equals to C over B, this can go A equals to C. That's mathematically correct. Are we together? Are we together? Since they are equal, they can go. So that means here we can say S square, so x4, S square plus 4s square. It says 6, okay now. Plus 4 du, abi, equals to what?
S squared minus 2.
S square minus 2 dx. Make dx the surrogate of the formula, you get what? Dx equals to what? S square minus 2 divided by what? X4 plus what?
No, the other way around. X power 4 is coming up. Yes.
Yes, the x surface of the formula.
Since the x is the formula, divided by x minus 2. Yes, it's still counts.
Okay. So dx equals to what?
X power 4
Minus 5 plus 5s square plus 4, abi, divided by s square minus 2, right? Du. This is dx. If we actually find dx, we have it like, if you say du over dx, like if you are taking dx to this side to have du dx, then bring this one to this side, it will be s square minus 2 over, showing that the differentiation is equal to this. But here we are only, this is dx alone, not du over dx. Du over dx is actually this. If you change it, you get what I'm saying? But we are not applying that formula. We just want to do use substitution and cancel out and go. But if we are to apply the formula, we are not finding dx now. We just want to check if du over dx is this. If you make du over dx the surrogate of the formula, okay, this is it. Du is here, abi?
Yes.
If you bring dx to the bottom, that's du over dx. If this one goes to the other side, we will have s square minus 2 over, which is equal to this. Then you can have lane of. But let's leave that standard formula. Let's just solve our. I can clean the question. End the question now. So yeah, since dx is this guy, whether you want to apply the standard, fine. So this becomes integral of what? S square minus 2 divided by what? S4 minus 5s squared plus 4 tan inverse of that guy is u, abi. Already said it be dx was our dx. Back on for here. Plus 5x squared plus 4 over what? X squared minus 2 du. Far. Equals integral of what? 1 over u du. That's what? Ln u plus c equals to ln. What's our u? Tan inverse of what? X squared plus 2 over what? X plus c. Clear? Of which, if we had found the y over ds, we would have gotten x squared minus 2 over x squared. Is this plus? Sorry. Abi? I think the question is plus. Yeah, it's plus. Sorry, it's plus, not minus. We would have got, the question is plus, not minus. We would have gotten x squared minus 2 over x4 plus 5x squared plus 4. Since the derivative of this can be found as numerator, then our answer is ln of the denominator. But we are not even that standard. We solve it because we want to enjoy maths. And we solve it like that. And we enjoy our maths. If you decide to not to do this one, if you make the over ds the straight for the formula, you get x squared minus 2 over x4 plus 5x squared plus 4, which is equal to that numerator. Then you get ln of the denominator. Those who are watching online, is it clear? Yeah, this is plus, it's plus. The question is plus 5x squared. It was a mistake. I hope it's clear now. Dorcas. Okay, all right, sharp. Now we have 2 questions left before we call Math 102 off for today. What's time?
3:53.
Oh, we still have time, sir. We still have like 2 hours.
2 hours.
I had 3, I did not hear 4. So we still have like 2 hours. 5 minus 3.
6 minutes to 4.
6 minutes to 4. That's 3:54 hours.
Yeah, 54.
And that's still 3. Still bear the name 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. You have 2 hours left.
6 minutes.
Are we? Alaja, show tutu for you. I appreciate it. Don't worry. It's entering egg. Don't worry. Is it entering egg? Neither yes nor no. You watch the video later. Can I clean the board? No. Wow. Tomorrow now they will give you 1 question here. You will be shivering. Say, I think how are you? Kuku Sherry. You go to Burundi. Ooh. God have mercy. God help with this last question. That x into x squared. That question is bad though. And over 10. Bad question. I'm afraid of it. This video now, just snap the question and put it as thumbnail. Fine. Watch. Make sure you do watch till the end. Watch. Can I clean the word?
No.
Where's the duster? What are we still writing now? Who is here that is doing physics 101 nìkan? You are here and you are only doing physics 101. We are sorry. Some departments are funny. You can have students that are doing physics 101 again. You are. Today, so even today, you see a final year student that does not know my department. Who doesn't know my department? If I mention my department, some people will be like, what department is that? Is it that way? My whole department, where giants are built, are being built, where they are being built. The greatest department in the whole of UI. Science and Technology Education. We have 6 units. Let me tell you a story. We have 6 units. We have a whole department inside us. We have education and physics, which is like a department in science. It's just a unit inside our department. We have education and chemistry. We have education and biology. We have education and maths. We have education and educational technology. We have education and computer science. Are you whining us? You said no. You can't whine us. You are a computer science, they show you will cross to education and computer science. Well, education is actually very interesting. It gives you the benefit of the 2 fields. My certificate is double now. Yeah. If I finish you, I can decide to go for masters in education or masters in physics. So that's another benefit. Can I clean the board? No, pẹ̀lú ẹjọ́ tí mo rò, no call. You need more of this, okay now. Now, next question. Integral of dx over root 3x plus 4 minus root 3x plus 1. So what do we do? Rationalize, isn't it? Follow me, we have 1 hour left. Dx over root 3x plus 4 minus root 3x plus 1 times root 3x plus times 3x plus 4 plus root 3x plus 1. Don't write here too. Root 3x plus 4. Let me see whether that place is showing. Real. Sorry. Let me see if the question is showing. All right. Sorry. Equals the integral dx over root 3x plus 4 minus root 3x plus 1 times root 3x plus 4 plus root 3x plus 1 over root 3x plus 4 plus root keep it here 3x plus 1. I think this one is showing. Yeah, sharp. So here we have integral root 3x plus 4 plus root 3x plus 1 over this is difference of 2 square, right? The denominator a minus b times a plus b, that's a square minus b square. If you square this, what do you get? 3x plus 4 minus We square this, what do you get? 3x, which is minus 1. You know, it's in bracket, 3x plus 1. If you use that minus to open it, right?
Okay, yeah.
3x plus 1, but I already opened the bracket. So this minus 1 will affect that plus 1. Dx equals to integral of what? Root 3x plus 4 plus root 3x plus 1 over 3x cancel minus 3x, right? 4 minus 1, that's 3, right? 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 We have 3 dx. This cancel, right? This minus this, you have this, right? So at the end of the day, we are going to get integral of 1 over 3, right? Integral of what? Root what? 3x plus 4 plus root what? 3x plus 1 dx. So what do you think we can do here now? Do you think you can integrate directly? What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Eh?
Can you say this was equal to 2?
To what? Try now.
2 root 3x plus 1.
2 root. No. This is 4.
Okay, 4.
This one. So what do we do here? Let's produce Nukunwo. Any idea?
You can integrate now.
Eh.
Okay, sorry.
Let me try and remember something. Sorry. I'm coming.
So I check it just
Something want to enter my head. One wave is returning it. I want to catch it. It's not entering.
it's definitely the same time.
No, the question, I don't think the question is wrong. If it's let's split it first. 1 over 3 integral of root what? 3x plus 4 dx plus 1 over 3 integral of what? Plus 1 dx. So let's solve each separately. Oh, it's not hard, sir. Let u be what? Wait, oh, should u be that? Okay, 3x plus 4, Abby. Should we use 3x plus 4 or root 3x plus 4? Let u be root 3x plus 4. Let's solve one separately.
Yeah.
If we solve one, we may not even need to solve the two. We can put it in, they look alike. Just be knowing that one don't know what we forward. So let's solve one. We have let u be what? Root 3x plus 4. No, I'm using root. If I don't use root, it will not cancel.
Yes.
I will not be having like u over root u or root u over u. It will cancel. But if I use this, it will cancel because if I differentiate root 3x plus 1, I'm going to have something like this is going to repeat at the denominator. So if I differentiate, if equals to this, du over dx equals, if you differentiate 3x plus 4, what do you get?
1 over 2.
That's 3 over 2
Multiply.
root 3x plus 4, are you? 3 over 2 If you don't get how we get it, write it in your note and do your divide dx.
3x plus 4.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. So at the end of the day, let's make the end result of the formula. So here we have du equals to what?
3dx.
3dx over what?
2 is 3x plus 4.
Back on by this one will not be at the denominator. Ó kàn máa lọ pé méjì sódì kan.
And to multiply.
3x plus 4, abi? That means, let me even write everything. So if you cross multiply, we have 2 root 3x plus 4 du
Equals to 2.
over 3 equals to what? Dx. Okay.
It's open the square root.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sharp. If you open the square root, I think we're good to go. Yeah.
The square root of the square root.
I can clean this first part. The question I will rationalize. You know what's there. So now let's put this guy as our dx. So the question now we have, where do we get to this? We have 1 over 3 integral of what? Root.
3x plus 4.
Let's say root u. Root u, and our u is root 3x. Sorry, u rather. U, abi?
Yes.
U. What's our dx?
2
2 over 3u, right?
Yes.
Dot 2 over 3u du equals 1 over 3 integral of what? 1 over 3 times 2 over 3 integral of what? U squared du. Abi?
Yeah.
I hope it's showing. Yeah, sharp, showing. So equals to what? 2 over 9 multiply. If you integrate u squared, u cube over what? 3, right? Plus c. And that gives you what? 2 over 9 root what? 3x plus 4 cube over 3 plus c. Is that clear? This is the first part. Let's write it down because I want to clean the board. This is only this. The solution to this is this. It remains this. Then we add them together. Let's write that so that we can proceed with our business. Then we have don't sleep. We're about to end the class. I'm sorry, man. I'll not do that again. Those who are following clear? Is it clear? Okay, all right. So we are done with the first part, the second part left. If you're online, say yeah. Can I clean the board? The high. That last question, how far about the shift? Eh? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yìí? That person get power. Wow. Very fascinating. Can I clean the board, please? I can clean the board. So this is the second part. This is the answer to the first part. When we do the second part, we now add the two together. For the second part, let u be what? Root 3x plus 1 back. So du equals to what? 3 over 2 root 3x plus 1 dx. Isn't it? Right? So if you make the x the square root of the formula, du over dx gives us 3. Yeah, dx. So that means we have 3 dx equals to what? 2 root 3x plus 1 du. That means dx will be this over what? 3. Is that clear? So at the end of the day, you can say 1 over 3 integral u, since our u is root 3x plus 1, dx, that's 2 root u, 2u, so this is our u, over 3 du, equals to 1 over 3 times 2 over 3 integral u times u squared du. So we have 2 over 9 integral u squared du, and that's 2 over 9, open bracket, u cubed over what? Over 3 plus c. That's 2 over 9. What's our u? Root 3x plus 1 all cubed over 3 plus c. So our answer becomes 2 over 9, open bracket, root 3x plus 4 all cubed, right? Plus root 3x plus 1 all cubed, everything over 3, since they both have over 3 and 2 over 9 is common to them, plus c. Clear? Eh? Clear? Is that the answer? Let me see what you get. I go first get back.
When we separated, that's why I
3x plus 4. The only thing that is different, in the 2 over 27, we go 2 over 9. Okay, it's correct now. I should beat you, sir. 9 times 3 is 27. There's no over 3. There you go. Yeah. Are we together?
Okay, yes.
Those who are watching from afar, do we get that? Is it clear? We get it right. Those who are watching from afar. Hello, have we slept? Hello. All right, sharp. Now the last questions, but the others, the last but not the least. Can I clean the board? I was very bellyful the other time. Right? Now my stomach is empty. I need chicken, like a complete chicken. One whole chicken.
Get that one continued from your school.
Like 15K chicken. Chicken? What did you say? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I will not do that again. Can you see the word now? Ah, God. You can't see the word yet. What of now? All right, man. Thank you, man. You're welcome. My player. Pleasure, player, no ní gbogbo ẹ̀. Can I clean the board? All this no easy. Ah. Are we done? Shall we? Hello? Can I? I can clean all these slow writers. So the last question, God help us, so please pay attention. Cannot reverse. So the last question says, we're actually doing Math 102. I hope you know. Oh wow, sorry. No, we are doing 102. Integral of x root x squared minus x dx. Who can try? Class of. Can anyone try? Okay, you go get Jeremy that day now. Absolute Aeon. Now look at what I want to do. I want to split this thing. I want to split the integral. X is equal to, I'm coming over 2 over 2. X is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1 over 2. And check it. Is it?
I make an X or what?
Is the 2 not equal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, it's true. Right.
Minus 1 cancel plus 1, 2x over 2x.
This kind of manipulation now. Wait.
Yes.
Let me write it down. Space can be enough. X equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1 over 2. Do you know why I need that 2x minus 1? If I differentiate x squared minus x,
You get 2x minus
It's down. Okay.
But
Because actually, I could have come with another manipulation, but this one is more valid because what English is that? It looks like the derivative of this guy. So something can actually zip up along the way as you are going on. So for me to put the derivative of this inside this manipulation, what I just need to add is 1 and divide by 2 to give me x. So this guy becomes integral. Instead of x, what do I write? 2x minus 1, right? 2. Yeah, I'm coming. There's a way I want to write it so that I can open the bracket. Okay, there's plus 1 here. Plus 1. Then we have what? Root x squared minus x, right? dx. Isn't it? Equals to integral of, let me just write everything out. 2x minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Isn't it? Abi? I don't need to write this. I'm just showing it because I want to multiply x squared minus x dx, right? So let's open the bracket. So I have integral of what? 2x minus 1 over 2 root x squared minus x dx, right? Plus what? Integral of what? 1 over 2, Abi? Root what? X squared minus x dx. Are we clear to this part? Eh? This times this, you get this. This times this, you get this. Isn't it? Isn't it? So this 1 over 2 can actually come out. We only have 2x minus 1 here. Are we clear to that part?
Yeah.
All right. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see how far.
Then c to the x squared minus x.
Okay, I think the aspect I need that is kind of critical is this one. Let's focus on this one. I think this one is much more easier.
Yeah.
So let u be what?
X squared minus x.
X squared minus x, right?
Yeah.
So du equals to 2x minus 1 dx, isn't it? That means that's du over dx equals to x minus 1. That means dx equals to what? Du over what? 2x minus what? 1. So this guy becomes 1 over 2 integral of what? 2x minus 1 root u, Abi? What's our dx? Du over what? 2x minus 1. This cancel this. So we have what? 1 over 2 integral of what? Root u du. Right? Making sense?
And again, x squared minus x is also here. And for the second one.
You know, we have to bring
2x
dx inside. We have to change dx and that one will now look complicated. Let's just deal with this first. Because if you have to see it that way. Yeah. So let's see this first. Let's see how far. So if you integrate this 1 over 2 integral of u minus u half rather, Abi, du, that gives us 1 over 2. If you integrate u raised power half, you get u raised power 3 over 2 divided by what? 3 over 2, right? Plus c. That gives us 1 over 2 times what? 2 over 3, Abi? U raised power 3 over 2. No, 3 over 2 will change to 2 over 3 when it's by multiplication. So this 2 cancel 2, we have 1 over 3 square root of what? U cube, Abi? Plus c. Isn't it? Right? So the answer to the first part equals to 1 over 3 square root of what's our u? X squared minus x cubed plus c. For the first part, I hope it's showing there. It's blurry. I hope it's no longer blurry. Come on, blurry. So the first part, do we understand this? The first part, those who are watching on YouTube, we got, we splitted it into two, this and this. But this one now, we got 1/3 root s squared minus 1 cube plus c. Do we get that first part? Okay. Okay, all right. So, for the first part, the integral of this guy is equal to 1/3 square root of what? S squared minus x all cube plus c. Now, let's solve the second part. All right, they got it sharp. Okay, let's quickly write this. Just write like 2 lines. Write 2 lines so that I can solve the second part. So let me be thinking of what to do. I think I can manipulate that second one. Keep writing. Let me keep thinking of what to manipulate. Oh, let me not do that. Are we done? How do we solve this second part? Wait. I think I have an OT. Yeah, I think I grabbed what to do. If I may wake up, I think I get what to do. Oh yeah, let's be fast. Yeah. T squared minus 1. S squared minus S squared minus X will give us X. Oh, sharp. I've got him. So for the first part, I think those kinda, all right, kinda as yes, they are the same thing. Can I claim? Please, let's pay attention. Let's pay a very good attention and clear one. So the second question, that second part is what? 1/2, Abi? Integral of what? Root s squared minus x, isn't it? Yeah. Now, listen. S squared minus x equals to x minus 1/2 all square plus 1/4. I'm still going to confirm. Let's confirm. X minus 1/2 all square plus 1/4. X times x. X times minus this. This times x. This times this. Okay, this should be minus 1/4. Minus 1/4. So this we cancel. Then we have s squared minus s/2 minus s/2. That's minus x. The SM is 2. Minus x minus x minus 2x. So that's minus x. That means that's correct. So it's very, very interesting. Now. So here we have 1/2 integral of square root of what? Square root of x minus 1/2 all square minus 1/4. I can write my minus 1 over 4 as minus what? 1 over 2 all square, isn't it? The minus should not be inside. If the minus is inside, it will turn plus. So let the minus be outside. Now, note, you cannot just say this is square, and you apply that standard. You need to do substitution first. You know that standard is when you only have x here. But this is x minus 1 over 2. So before you apply that standard, you need to bring in substitution. So let's bring in t, because we have used u first. So let's say let t be what? X minus 1 over what? 2. Are we together? If t equals to x minus 1 over 2, dt over dx will give us what? 1, abi? That means dx equals to dt. See job. Right? That's thorough. Shall we move? So we have 1 over 2 integral of what? Square root of t square, isn't it? Minus 1 over 2 all square. There is dx here. This one is now what? Is it inverse before? Okay, it's not inverse. The dx is here. Then we have our what? dt. No, is it reciprocal? That second part, is it 1 over? No, okay. So the dt is like this. Are we clear to that part? Making sense. So this look like root a square and root s square minus a square. And we have a standard integral for that. But let's solve. What do we use? Let t equals to what? Sec. How sure it's sec? Yeah, it's sec. No tan square. So sec square theta minus constant. Do we get? But here our constant is not 1. That means 1 over 2 sec theta. Are we? Yeah, sharp. Thank God. So here we have 1 over 2 integral of square root of t square 1 over 2 square, which is 1 over 4 sec square theta, right? Yeah. Minus what? 1 over 4, abi? Yeah. dt, sorry, we have to, oh my God, I hate this thing. We have to find the theta, because this is, we have to look for the theta. To look for the theta with respect to the theta. So if t equals half of sec theta, dt will give us what? 1 over 2. If you divide sec theta, what do you get? Sec theta tan theta. Eh? Yeah. So you get sec theta tan theta d theta. So here, instead of dt, because we substitute all the t square minus 1 over 4 square dt. Our dt now is what? 1 over 2 sec theta tan theta d theta. Look I'm looking at this one now. 1 over 2 integral root 1 over 4 into what? Sec square theta minus 1, abi? This 1 over 2 also can come out to become 1 over 4. This one, you know, it's multiplication. Then here we have what? Sec theta tan theta d theta, abi? Yeah. So what do we have? 1 over 4 integral of what? Square root of 1 over 4 is what? 1 over 2. This is tan square theta, abi? Yeah. Square cancel root. 1 over 2 tan theta. Then we also have what? Sec theta, abi? Tan theta and what? D theta, right? 1 over 2 can come out, so we have 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec theta tan square what? Tan square theta d theta. Is it clear to that part? Let's try this. I want to clean this so we can solve. Don't forget, what is the solution to that first one? This, abi? So that's second one. Let's write this part so that I can clean it. Those who are following, do we understand? What can I do with this guy? Sec theta equals to. I think we should be able to solve this. Let's write it first. Don't try at home. Beware of little children. Keep in a cool, dry place. Are we done? I'm looking for what to. Should I use by part? Should we use by parts? Those who are watching, will by parts work for this? What do you think? Oh, wait. Okay, that's not that. Okay, sharp. Somebody already suggests by parts. If that's full meaning of IBP, integration by parts. So let's use by parts. We are done with the first part. Let's use by parts. Can I clean it now? Thank God. That's for you.
What the? Sec theta minus 1 is tan theta.
Eh?
Sec theta minus 1 is sin theta. I mean, sorry. Sec theta minus 1 is it tan theta?
No. Sec theta minus 1, yeah, tan theta.
I don't have enough now to put it inside tan theta.
We now be having. I think we bring it in when we are using by parts. Yeah. If we put it there, we can't solve it already. We still use by parts. But that's what we are actually going to do. We have 1/8 sec theta. Now this tan square theta is what? Sec square theta minus 1 d theta. So it gives us 1/8 integral of what? This times this. Sec cube theta minus what? Sec theta d theta. So this gives us 1/8 integral of what? Sec cube theta minus 1/8 integral of what? If you integrate sec theta, what do we get there? We are using by parts for both. Thank you. Okay, let me fill up this matter. I think we integrate this, then ln sec theta. If you integrate sec theta, I think it's ln sec theta plus tan theta. Those who were in the previous class, ln sec theta plus tan theta. So you can just plug in the value for this, but we are likely to show it sharp. Or is that sec cube? I think we also did that sec cube in previous class, integration by parts. How many of us were in the previous class that we did here? Were you in the previous class? Okay, I don't think she was here. Who did here? Who was here? Who were here? Anyone there? What do you say?
Let's use the sec theta.
See?
Let's use the sec theta.
Let's what in? You? You want to cause problem. That's problem. We can only use by parts. So yeah, we've plugged in the identity. Now, if we integrate sec theta, we get ln sec theta plus tan theta. In fact, we don't even need by parts. We can use manipulation to do this one. Let's run this one by one side, so that we'll focus on this one. Then we'll combine the three answers together. 1/8 integral of sec sec theta d theta equals 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec theta times, what was it then? Sec theta plus tan theta over sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta, yeah, times sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta d theta. So this is 1. I will not change anything. Equals 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec theta times sec theta, sec square theta, sec theta times tan theta plus sec theta tan theta divided by what? Sec theta plus what? Tan theta d theta. If you divide the bottom, you get the top. If you divide sec theta, what do you get? Sec theta tan theta. If you divide tan theta, what do you get? Sec square theta. Abi? No, the derivative of the denominator is at the numerator. So the integral of this guy is 1 over 8 ln what? The denominator. Sec theta plus what? Tan theta plus c. That one is clear. Sec theta gives sec theta tan theta gives sec square theta. So the derivative of this is equal to this. So our answer is ln of this times 1 over 8. So now let's focus on this guy. Let's focus on this guy. So there is a way we solve it last class. We divide those sec square and sec carry, and we use by parts. So this is 1 over 8 integration of what? Sec square theta, sec theta, d theta, d theta, sec theta, d theta. Abi? Let u be what? Let u be what? I'm coming. Yeah, let u be sec theta, and our dv equals what? Sec square theta. You know the last class, we are sorry, but let me just try my best. So when you have product of different functions, it could still be the same function. Maybe you have product of maybe trig with algebra, trig with logarithm, if stand up, trig with inverse function, or trig with exponential using Leate. We all know Leate now. The one that will be your u is the one that comes first. If you have logarithm and if you have logarithm and algebra, since logarithm in the function, the logarithm will be your u, algebra will be your dv. Are we together? The one that comes first in this Leate is your u, then the other one is your dv. But this one, they are both trig. But let the simpler one be your u and the complex one be your dv. Are we together? Though it depends, but for this case, because it's easy to integrate this guy. If you integrate sec square theta, we get tan theta. So it's preferred. So if you have integral of u dv for an integration question, the same thing as uv minus integral of v du. That's the formula for integration by part. Yeah. So we assume that this is our u dv, this is our u, this is dv. Dv times c is same thing as u times dv. So this is our u dv. So equals to u, what's our u? Sec theta. Abi? Yeah. What's our uv? Sec theta. What's our v? If dv is sec square theta, what will be v? Tan theta. That means you are integrating both sides. If you integrate what you differentiate, you are going to get that thing. And this is different derivative of v. So if I say integral of dv, integral will cancel derivative. There will be only v left. So if I say integral of dv, integral of sec square theta, so I will have v left here. If I integrate sec square theta, I get what? Tan theta. So my u is sec theta, my v is tan theta. Minus integral of v du. What's my v? Tan theta v. Isn't it? Du. Let me put it here. So here I'm having uv sec theta tan theta minus integral of v. My v is tan theta du. This is my u. If I want to differentiate sec theta, what do I get? No, okay, integration. If you differentiate sec theta, what do you get? sec theta tan theta abi. So integral of v du sec theta tan theta d theta, isn't it? So here we now have uv minus. So here we have sec theta tan theta minus what? Integral of tan theta times sec theta. Okay, sorry. So this one becomes what?
Transfer theta.
Kí ni o ti máa fa wàhálà báyìí? Díẹ̀ ẹ jọ.
Transfer theta sec. Transfer theta sec.
Tan square theta sec what?
Theta.
Sec theta d theta. Same thing we did last time. That we use part again now. We've gotten this answer. Let me keep it at one side. Minus 1/8, because I want to clean it. Ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. So that's the, we are only focusing on this. So at the end of the day, we have this plus this minus this to give us our final answer.
That one is not done yet.
Show this one. Yeah, I'm not done yet. I just want to clean so I can have space. So sec theta tan theta minus integral of tan square theta sec theta. How do we integrate this? I think we bring in u substitution.
Yeah.
This part alone, you. Let's leave this guy alone. So for this part, let u be what? Sec theta, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. No, we substitute tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1.
We now be getting that cube again now.
Yes.
Okay.
The question.
Sharp. Don't mind me, Jared. So here we have sec theta tan theta minus integral of what? Tan square theta is what? Sec square theta minus 1, right? Multiply by what? Sec theta d theta. So here we have what? Sec theta tan theta minus integral of sec square theta times sec theta. What do we have? Sec cube theta minus sec theta d theta. No, this is equal to, where are we coming from? Golo to Salaway. This is equal to this guy, Abi. But
What is that? This is sec cube theta you are integrating.
this is the one I'm integrating. This is what we are integrating. Let's look at it very well.
This sec cube theta now.
Okay, yeah. Let's proceed. So we have sec theta tan theta minus what? Integral of what? Sec cube theta minus what? Integral of what? Sec theta. Here we have sec cube theta d theta minus integral of what? Sec theta d theta. This is same thing as the question we are integrating, Abi. No, the question is sec cube theta. So we can replace, if this is our question, this is will be let's say let's call it I equals to integration. I think 1/8 will have to come out of it. So this will be, sorry. Now 8I equals to the integration of it. So if I equals to 1/8 of this, we will cross multiply. 8I will give us integral of sec cube theta. So we are replacing this guy with 8I. So here we have sec theta tan theta minus sec cube theta d theta equals to 8I, because I, this integration, it means integration. This is what we are to integrate. So if I equals to 1/8 of sec cube theta, cross multiply, you have 8I equals to what? Sec cube theta. So as sec cube theta, you can replace it with what? 8I minus, if you integrate this, what do we get? Ln sec theta plus tan theta. Clear? So, and we know what we are solving initially is I. So our I equals what? Sec theta tan theta minus what? 8I minus what? Ln sec theta plus what? Tan theta. So bring this to the other side. We have 9I equals to what? Sec theta tan theta minus what? Ln what? Sec theta plus what? Tan theta. So I equals to what? Sec theta tan theta minus what? Ln sec theta plus tan theta divided by what? So the integration of this sec theta equals to this. So we now have this minus d. What do we get as this then? This, Abi. So everything here, the integral will give us what? Sec theta tan theta minus ln sec theta plus tan theta.
This side
Which sign?
is minus minus integral sec.
Show this.
No, the upper part.
This.
Yeah.
And minus.
It's supposed to be plus.
Minus this. Okay, yeah, this will be plus now. Because this is minus integral of everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Over 9. Then this is everything here is this. Then this part is this. Minus 1 over 8. Minus 1 over 8. Ln sec theta plus tan theta. So this is all the second part integral. But now we have to, let me see if I can, if this board can stay here. Wait. I'm coming. I want to use this space to finish the or I need space. I don't like the way it's rough like this. Should we come again from beginning for this question? Do you understand? Those are watching online. This was people are crying. I've seen it finally. So this is the second part for all this. So just add this to this to give you the final answer. But you have to bring this back to function of x. You know, initially there's a place you put t. You bring t back. No, it's now theta. You know, t equals 1 over 2 sec theta. You substitute theta back as function of t. No, there is a place that we have t equals to x minus. You put down back to come back to x. For this, then you now add to this. That's your answer. Let's write this so I can write the final answer. Well, you can go and sleep. I feel like solving it again. I want to be completed in a video. I'm coming. Let me see if this thing can just. I need to view the whole board so that I can use everything. Yeah. You can sleep, don't worry.
From beginning.
No.
I want to solve that question. Yeah, I want you to.
From the beginning.
Yes, now.
Please now. We understand it now. Somebody complain about it.
No, I want to be clear in that video because of that video. So that you know I'm uploading the video. Yeah, I hope everything. Okay. Oh yeah, those who are watching online, stay with me. People don't leave me for here. Oh yeah, let's move. Those who are watching online. What's the question? integral of what? Everything should contain. X root what?
X square minus X.
Minus X dx, right?
Yes.
So we say let X be what? 2x minus 1 plus 1 over what? Over 2. Okay, everything is shown. Let X be 2x. Okay, you shall hear my voice. Let X be 2x minus 1 plus 1 over 2. So the question becomes integral of what? 2x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 square root of x squared minus x dx equals to integral of 2x minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by square root of what? X squared minus x dx equals to integral of what? 2x minus 1 over 2 square root of what? X squared minus x dx plus integral of plus 1 over 2 integral of root x squared minus x dx. Yeah, let's move. It's showing very well. So let's bring out 1 over 2. We have 1 over 2 integral of what? 2x minus 1 square root of what? X squared minus x dx plus 1 over 2 integral of what? Square root of what? X squared minus x dx. So let me write this on one side. I will be solving it later. 1 over 2 integral of what? Root x squared minus x dx. So this one is here. When I'm done with this, then I will add it to that one. I will solve that one and add it. Now let's focus on this guy. So this alone now give us what? Let u be equals to what? X squared minus x. Therefore, du over dx will give us what? 2x minus 1. Therefore, the x will now be what? Dx will now be what? Du over what? 2x minus 1. So let's move. So here we now have 1 over 2 integral of what? 2x minus 1 square root of u. What's our dx? Du over what? 2x minus 1. This cancels. So it becomes 1 over 2 integral of what? Root u, and u is this du equals 1 over 2 square 1 over 2 integral of u raised by 3 over 2. If you integrate this over 3 over 2 plus c. So equals 1 over 2. 3 over 2 change to 2 over 3 u raised by 3 over 2 plus c equals to what? 2 cancel 2. 1 over 3 square root of u cube. Square root of u cube. That's square root of what's our u? X squared minus x all cube plus c. So now this is the first part. This is the first part. Now our first part, the answer is 1 over 3 square root of x squared minus x all cube plus. So once we solve this, the answer will just add it to this one, and we are done. So now I want to solve this guy. This is what we want to solve now. Integral 1 over 2 integral of square root of x squared minus x dx. We solve the other part. Once we solve it, we just add it to this guy. So note x squared minus x equals to x minus 1 over 2 all square minus 1 over 4. So this becomes 1 over 2 integral of what? Square root of x minus 1 over 2 all square minus 1 over 4. And 1 over 4 can be written as 1 over 2 all square. So dx. Oh, the dx is here. So at the end of the day, what do we get? 1 over 2 integral of, okay, sorry. Let t equals to x minus 1 over 2. Let t be this. So our dt will now give us what? Our dt will give us 1 dx. When we differentiate x, we get 1. So dt equals to dx. Dt equals to dx. So here we now have equals to 1 over 2 integral square root of t square minus 1 over what? 2 all square. Now for this one, we use what? Let t be sec theta. But our constant is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 sec theta. So if t is 1 over 2 sec theta, therefore our dt will give us 1 over 2. If you differentiate sec theta, what do we get? We get sec theta tan theta, right? So here we have 1 over 2 integral of what? Square root of t square. That's 1 over 2 sec theta all square minus 1 over 2 all square dt. What's our dt? Our dt is 1 over 2, which can come out 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is a constant, it can come out sec theta tan theta d theta d theta. So here we now have 1 over 4 integral of what? Square root of what is common to them? 1 over 2, bring it out. 1 over 2 sec square theta minus 1, right? Multiply by sec theta tan theta d theta. So at the end of the day, we are going to get 1 over 4 integral of what? Square root of 1 over 2. So this should be 1 over, this should be 1 over 4. 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Because we square this 1 over 4 here. So at the end of the day, there is a place I got. Where is this one coming from? That 1 over 2. There is a 1 over 8 I got. I think it should be 1 over 16. 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Sec square theta minus 1 is what? Tan square. Okay, it's 1 over 8. Tan square theta. Sec theta. Tan theta. D theta. So root 1 over 4 is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 can come out to give us 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, 1 over 8. Integral of this 1 over 4 under root, that's 1 over 2. It can come out 1 over 4 times 1 over 2. So integral of square cancel root. So we have what? Tan theta there. This square will cancel the root. Tan theta, sec theta, tan theta, d theta. So this gives us 1 over 8 integral of what? Tan square theta, sec theta, d theta. This is the first answer here. So let's put the trick. So here we are 1 over 8. Integral of tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Then we have what? Sec theta d theta. Which gives us what? 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec cube theta minus what? Sec theta d theta. I hope you are with me. Online viewers. Our t is this. Let's not forget. Say let t. We have 1t. 1t. T equals to x minus 1 over 2. We also have another t equals to 1 over 2 sec theta. So that I will not forget. Yeah. So we have 1 over 8 sec cube theta integral of sec cube theta d theta minus 1 over 8 integral of sec theta d theta. So this gives us this part alone give us minus 1 over 8 ln, we solve it earlier. If we integrate sec theta, we get sec theta plus what? Tan theta plus c. So we are focusing on sec cube theta now. Our focus is on sec cube theta. So here we have 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec cube theta d theta equals to 1 over 8 integral of what? Sec square theta sec theta d theta. So let u be what? Sec theta and dv equals to what? Sec square theta. So du over d theta will give us, if you differentiate sec theta, we get sec theta tan theta. If we integrate dv, we get v equals to tan theta. So it's 1 over 8 multiplied by, and that's our I. So that means 8i equals to integral of sec cube theta d theta. If our integration is 1 over 8, then 8 times our integration will give us this. So let's keep this aside. So u integral u dv equals to uv. These are u dv, which is same thing as this, equals to uv. That's uv sec theta integral of u dv equals to uv sec theta tan theta minus integral of v du tan theta du. Du is what? Sec theta tan theta d theta. So which is going to give us sec theta tan theta minus integral of tan square theta minus integral of tan square theta sec theta d theta. I will be showing everything. Yeah, sharp. So we are going to get sec theta tan theta minus integral of tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta times sec theta sec cube theta minus 1 times sec theta sec theta. If you replace this with sec square theta minus 1, we have sec square theta there times this sec cube theta. The minus 1 times sec theta will give us this. Then d theta equals to what? Sec theta tan theta minus, if we split this integral, this will give us, okay, let me write it, minus integral of sec cube theta minus times minus plus integral of sec theta, there should be d theta here, d theta plus integral of sec theta d theta. So this gives us sec theta tan theta integral of sec cube theta equals to 8i. Back to our question. 8i plus integral of sec theta. If we integrate sec theta, we get ln tan theta plus sec theta. So, and this is our solution, which is I. Our solution is I, the original question, which is what we are solving. So if 8i comes to this side, we have 9i equals to what? Sec theta tan theta plus ln tan theta plus sec theta plus c. So that means I now will now be this is what we are solving. Let me clean this guy. So I now will now be sec theta tan theta plus ln tan theta plus sec theta over 9. So this is the solution to, where is it, sir? Solution to this. Solution to this. To all this. Yes. So minus this will now be minus, okay, let me write it. Let there be space. So we have I equals to sec theta tan theta plus ln tan theta plus sec theta divided by 9 minus solution to this, which is 1 over 8 ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. All right, where's that duster? Plus c. So we've gotten it. Just for us to add this to this now, we are done. But before we can add this, let's bring in theta. If t equals 1 over 2 sec theta, that means 2t equals to sec theta bar. That means theta equals to what? Sec inverse of 2t, right? Sec inverse of 2t. So we are bringing in sec inverse of 2t. So here we have I equals to sec theta. Sec, and there's a wonderful story that's going to happen here. Sec theta, that's sec inverse of 2t, right? Tan sec, this one we cancel, we have 2t alone there. Tan theta, theta is sec inverse of 2t plus ln tan theta, tan sec inverse of 2t plus sec theta. Sec theta, theta is sec inverse of 2t over 9 minus 1 over 8 ln sec theta, sec inverse of 2t plus tan theta, tan sec inverse of 2t plus c. So here we have I equals to sec inverse of 2t is 2t. Sec inverse cancel sec. Then we have tan sec inverse of 2t. Tan sec inverse of 2t plus ln tan sec inverse of 2t plus 2t, sec cancel sec inverse, over 9 minus 1 over 8 ln sec inverse of 2t, that's 2t plus tan sec inverse of 2t. So at the long run, now we are done with theta. Now let's plug in t. T is x minus 1 over 2. So our I now equals to 2x minus 1 over 2 tan sec inverse of 2t x minus 1 over 2 plus ln tan sec inverse of 2t x minus 2 plus 2t x minus 1 over 2 divided by 9 minus 1 over 8 ln 2t, our t is x minus 1 over 2 plus tan sec inverse of 2t x minus 1 over 2, all this written here. So this is everything plus this should have been added earlier, but this plus all the same as all this plus this plus 1 over 3 root x squared minus x, all bracket q, everything plus c. That's our final answer. But if there's anything to factor out, no problem. That's the final answer. When I don't sleep, those who are watching on YouTube. Are we there? Anderson. Who is with me? Men sharp. They are not like you, they are here. Sharp. Do we understand what I did? I'm not talking to you anymore now. So you guys have slept. Do you guys understand? Wait till you do this live. All right, the video will be uploaded. You can watch later. Thanks. Good night. Good night. See you next tomorrow. See you tomorrow rather. Not tonight. Oh, we see you tomorrow.